What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on that TV. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, I will urge you to kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have Shatta Wale exposes Shatta Michy again. Yeah, so earlier this week we reported on Shatta Michy, that's the baby mama of Shatta Wale, stating in an interview that she wasted her youthful years with a dancehall musician. Yeah, so the mother of one who appeared on Nana McBrown's United Showbiz show made a very bold statement, and according to Michy, she has moved on from Shatta Wale after wasting her youthful years with him instead of enjoying life like any other young lady would. Yeah, she also stated on record that she has been able to acquire 2 houses after her split from Shatta Wale in just a matter of 2 years. Yes, so Shatta Wale has once again reacted to his baby mama's claims, and guess what? He says he's never going to sell out his baby mama for clout. He added that his baby mama has been a good woman and that he still cares for her. He further stated that he won't talk much and that it is only God who knows he's a good man. Yes, so Shatta Wale concluded by saying that Michy should go ahead and grant more interviews from media houses and that giving her a car and a house was never a bad idea. Yeah, so Shatta Wale stated that I will never sell out my baby mama Michy for anything. She was and has been a good woman, but that's life for you. When things change, you change. Whatever she has said, I have taken it in good faith because I still care and do everything right in this unfortunate situation we find ourselves in. I won't talk much, but no one knows, only God knows I'm a good man. Michy, give them more news. Giving you car and house no be bad at all from a baby father. Okay guys, so this was Shatta Wale actually posted on his WhatsApp status reacting to what Shatta Michy said. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also share this video with your friends and lovers. I'll see you guys in the next video.